In this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, we will take you on a tour of the Graham Data Center. Access to the data center is controlled by a fob and code, which must be entered into the scramble pad. Fire protection is provided by a clean agent, Novak 123. The room has 2 UPS systems, with each backed by a generator. This ensures uninterrupted power for our storage and other critical systems. The majority of the cluster is fed 3-phase, 415-volt power with single racks using upwards of 35 kilowatts each. In total, the Graham site is using about 500 kilowatts of power. The room has some traditional air conditioning provided by 2 30-ton units. These are sufficient to cool the critical infrastructure, but not the entire cluster. The majority of the cooling is provided by a cold water loop. The water is circulated through doors on each rack, which act as large radiators and cool the hot air produced by the cluster. Connectivity to the cluster is provided by Orion with a 100 gigabit network connection. The cluster spans over 50 racks installed in 2 rows. A standard compute rack contains 64 servers and network switches. 10 racks are dedicated to storage with many spinning disks. For storing backups and nearline data, we have a tape library with over 30 petabytes of space and 2 robots to shuffle around the tapes. And all of this was installed space that includes part of Waterloo's old Red Room. In 1967, this site hosted an IBM 360 Model 75, which was the largest computer in Canada at that time. Links to more information about Sharcnet, Graham, the Red Room, and the University of Waterloo are available below. Thanks for watching.